Hello students, good time to all. I am Chandan Kumar Pradhan. Welcome to your channel Chandan Physics. In this video, we are going to discuss superposition of two perpendicular harmonic oscillations. Various conditions regarding this. Let's begin. When two perpendicular harmonic oscillations are superimposed with each other, then what happened? There are various cases we observe by taking different amplitudes and same frequencies. The frequencies are at the ratio of 1:1. When a simple harmonic motions is along x direction and another along y direction, means these two are perpendicular with each other. So the resultant of these two simple harmonic motions is nothing, the path followed by the particle in that of resultant is known as the Lissajous figure. So the Lissajous figure we define Lissajous figure 1:1 as the frequencies are same. Again Lissajous figure 2:1 or 1:2 as frequencies are different. Here the Lissajous figure, that figure denoted by the scientist Lissajous regarding the superposition of two perpendicular simple harmonic motions, that Lissajous figure is the resultant path of the particle. It is known as the Lissajous figure, and the Lissajous figure may be a circle, ellipse or straight line, that depend upon the amplitudes and phase difference of these two simple harmonic motions. So here we found out this Lissajous figure by using analytical method and graphical method. So in this video particularly we discuss about the analytical method to find out the Lissajous figure having 1:1, means the two simple harmonic motions have different amplitudes and same frequencies. So let we consider two simple harmonic motions. One simple harmonic motions, when that particle acted upon by a simple harmonic motion SHM having amplitude A and frequency omega along x direction. So x is equal to A cos omega t, equation number 1. As we take perpendicular harmonic oscillations, again a particle along y direction, same particle along y direction. So that particular case the SHM is given as y is equal to different amplitude, let b cos omega t plus theta, equation number 2. Here amplitudes are different but frequencies, here frequency is omega, here frequency omega is equal to 2 pi f, here omega is equal to 2 pi f, so the frequency be same here. Now we have to calculate what be the Lissajous figure, means the superposition of these two perpendicular simple harmonic oscillations. From equation 1, x by a is equal to cos omega t. From equation number 2, y by b is equal to cos omega t plus theta. Cos of a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. That formula is implemented here. So y by b is equal to cos omega t cos theta minus sin omega t sin theta. Or y by b is equal to cos omega t x by a cos theta minus sin omega t sin theta. Or y by b is equal to x by a cos theta minus, in place of sin omega t I replace it as sin square omega t under root sin theta. Or y by b is equal to x by a cos theta minus sin square omega t as 1 minus cos square omega t under root sin theta. Or y by b is equal to x by a cos theta minus 1 minus, in place of cos omega t again substitute x by a, it is x square divided by a square under root sin theta. Or y by b minus x by a cos theta is equal to minus 1 minus x square by a square under root sin theta. Squaring both sides, it is y by b x by a cos theta whole square is equal to minus 1 minus x square by a square under root whole square sin square theta. Or y square b square a minus b whole square a square plus b square minus 2ab plus x square a square cos square theta minus 2xy divided by ab cos theta is equal to 1 minus x square by a square sin square theta. Or y square by b square plus x square a square cos square theta minus 2xy by ab cos theta is equal to sin square theta minus x square by a square sin square theta, that sin square x square a square term to this side, it will be y square by b square plus x square by a square cos square theta plus x square by a square sin square theta minus 2xy by ab cos theta is equal to sin square theta, or in these two terms taking x square by a square as common, y square by b square plus x square by a square inside that of bracket cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2xy by ab cos theta is equal to sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, y square by b square plus x square by a square 1 minus 2xy by ab cos theta is equal to sin square theta, or the equation as y square by b square plus x square by a square minus 2xy by ab cos theta is equal to sin square theta. Look at that equation. That equation this is the equation of an ellipse. What type of ellipse? Ellipse within a rectangle of sides 2a and 2b. That particular equation represents an ellipse, and that ellipse within the rectangle of sides 2a and 2b. Here the inclination of eccentricity of that ellipse depends on a and b and the phase difference theta. Now there are various special cases. If the angle is 0 degree, theta is 0 degree, theta is equal to pi by 4, theta is equal to pi by 2, theta is equal to 3 pi by 4, like this, what be the Lissajous figure? Special cases one by one we have to discuss. First case, when theta is equal to 0 degree, theta is equal to 0, sin 0 0, cos 0 0. So the equation becomes y square by b square plus x square by a square minus 2xy divided by ab is equal to 0, or it is x by a minus y by b whole square. is equal to 0 or x by a minus y by b is equal to 0. That particular equation represents this equation, represents two coincident straight lines coinciding with diagonal of the rectangle. How we represent that figure? Look here. That side is 2a, that side be 2b, here the axis represented as x, o, x dash, y, o, y dash. According to that equation, it represents just like a straight line, and the direction of that of straight line are two coincident straight lines, means if that be the direction, again with the direction, here that portion be a, that portion be b, this is the angle theta, when theta is equal to 0 degree, that is the Lissajous figure. Next condition, special case 2, when at that case tan of beta, if we calculate here tan of theta is equal to b by a. When theta is equal to pi by 4, pi by 4 means 45 degree, sin 45, sin pi by 4, cos pi by 4, same value, that is 1 by root 2. Therefore, equation becomes x square by a square plus y square by b square minus 2xy by ab, then the value of cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 is equal to half, or x square by a square plus y square by b square minus, here 1 root 2 and root cancel out, root 2 xy divided by ab is equal to half. This equation represents an ellipse, that ellipse is oblique. This equation represents an oblique ellipse. How we draw that figure? same thing. The sides 2a 2b, axis like x o x dash, y o y dash. It is just an ellipse. So the figure is looking like this. That side A, this side B. Next special case, we get the oblique ellipse, not that figure. We have the oblique ellipse, so the figure representation 2a 2b xo x dash, yo y dash. It will be oblique ellipse, so the ellipse looking like this. This figure is that equation. Again, special case when theta is equal to pi by 2, then we have that figure. How? At that of case, cos theta 0, sin theta is equal to 1, cos pi by 2 is equal to 0, sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. Equation becomes x square by a square plus y square by b square minus 2 xy by ab into 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. That equation, this equation represents the ellipse, whose axis coincide x axis and y axis. Here that will be the figure that gives the ellipse. Here axis x axis and y axis, that portion is A, that portion is B. Same thing, if A is equal to B, if A is equal to B, then what happen? Then x square by a square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. So it will be x square plus y square is equal to a square. That equation represents a circle. This equation represents a circle of radius a. So, the figure, we can draw the figure like this. At that of case, a is equal to b. So, 2a is same as that 2b. Therefore, inside that of rectangle we have a circle. We have just like a circle figure that touches to this axis. It is a circle, and that portion is a, and that portion also a, since a is equal to b. A is equal to b, that be the figure. Next thing, for when theta is equal to 3 pi by 4, what happened? Cos 3 pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by root 2, sin 3 pi by 4 is equal to root 2. Therefore, the equation written like this, that equation becomes x square by a square plus y square by b square plus root 2 xy by ab is equal to half. So, it represents an ellipse which is oblique in shape. So, here 2a, 2b, x o x dash, y o y dash. So, the shape is just oblique shape. Oblique shaped ellipse, just opposite of that figure. When theta is equal to pi by 4, it is opposite. When theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. Next case, when theta is equal to pi. So, the equation will be, equation change to, here cos pi minus 1, sin pi 0. Therefore, equation change to x by a plus y by b whole square is equal to 0. That equation represents a coincidence straight line that passing through the origin. Here the figure looking like this. These are the representation of the Lissajous figure by analytic method. That represents a straight line. The direction again it passes oppositely, just opposite to that figure when theta is equal to 0 degree. So, with the help of this video lecture, we understand the superposition of two perpendicular simple harmonic motion of different amplitudes and same frequencies ratio 1:1, that is the Lissajous figure 1:1 by analytical method. We take two simple harmonic motions, one along x direction, another along y direction. Since these two are perpendicular with each other, different amplitudes, here amplitude A, here amplitude B, same frequencies, here frequency and here frequency, both are same. Then proceeds the mathematical way. Finally, we conclude to an equation, and that equation represents an ellipse within the rectangular sides 2a and 2b. There are various conditions. When theta is equal to 0 degree, that equation reduces to that form. that is the graphical representation. Then theta is equal to pi by 4, that be the graphical representation. Then theta is equal to pi by 2, that be the graphical representation. And if a is equal to b, then it reduces to a circle. Then theta is equal to pi by 4, when theta is equal to pi. These are the special cases. Throughout we discuss what be the Lissajous figure. So, with this useful and informative notes, let me wind up this session. Thank you.